Are you one of the 16 million adults suffering from back pain? Or maybe you just want to prevent future health issues. Stay tuned to discover how fixing your posture can transform your life. Maintaining proper posture is crucial, especially if you're a student or have an office job that involves a lot of sitting. The earlier you start, the fewer problems you'll face later on. Our guide to good posture includes stretches and exercises to fix and prevent health problems and pain from poor sitting positions. And you can learn with videos taught by wellness professionals. Want to improve yourself each day? Sign up to Goodwall, connect with improvement-focused people from 150+ countries and build valuable skills and experience. Let's dive into the first exercise, the dead bug. Lie on your back, extend your arms towards the ceiling, and pull your knees over your hips at a 90-degree angle. Slowly lower your right arm beside your ear and your left leg until it's straight, just a few inches off the floor. Hold, then repeat with the other arm and leg. This exercise stabilizes your spine and strengthens your core. Next, we have goalpost squeezes. Sit or stand with your arms out, elbows bent at 90 degrees. Pull your arms back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Repeat 10 times. This exercise relaxes your shoulders and strengthens your upper back, perfect for those who store stress in their neck and shoulders. For the dumbbell halo, kneel and hold a dumbbell horizontally at chest level. Circle it around your head, keeping your back straight. This improves spinal stability and works your abs. Standing decompression is next. Hold onto a surface like your kitchen sink, lean back with straight legs and extended arms. Hold for 30 seconds, focusing on deep breaths. This stretch provides pain relief, relieves pressure on your spinal nerves, and helps align your spine. Bent over rowing requires 2 dumbbells. Lean forward at the hips, pull the weights to your chest, squeeze your shoulders, and lower the weights. Repeat 8-10 times. This exercise strengthens muscles in your neck, upper back, and shoulders, making it easier to maintain good posture. The forward fold involves standing with feet flat, leaning forward at the hips, and extending your arms towards the ground. Stay in this pose for up to 1 minute. This exercise elongates your spine, relaxes your hamstrings, and stretches your hips and legs, automatically improving your posture. Planks are fantastic for posture. Get down on your hands and knees, straighten your legs, and engage your core. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Planks strengthen your core and back muscles, essential for correct posture and avoiding joint pain. For the farmer carry, squat down, grab 2 dumbbells, and walk forward for about 50 feet. Focus on using your ab muscles and maintaining an upright posture. This exercise trains you to maintain an upright posture even when walking or lifting things, creating muscle memory. The bird dog involves extending one leg and the opposite arm while on your hands and knees. This improves balance and targets your core. Finally, the kneeling glute hinge. Kneel with a dumbbell at your chest, lower your glutes to your heels, and lift back to the starting position. This exercise fights gravity on your spine, improving posture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do a like, subscribe and share with your friends.